all the heads would be turned at the PTA meeting though. If I walked up in that mug looking like this. Good, y'all. What it do? If you're new here, thank you for clicking on the video, stopping by, saying hello. Hope you'll do so in the comments below. And I also hope you'll become a part of the fam before the end of this video. And to do that, all you gotta do is click that red subscribe button down there. Yeah, that one right there. Hit it. Yeah. Okay. Thanks. Appreciate it. And for all my A1s since day one, what it do, boo? Guess what, y'all? We almost through with the 50 Shades of Spring. Y'all know with the 50 Shades of Spring, I have been bringing y'all wig bays and MUAs. And today, I got the best of both worlds. This collaboration is with my boo, Kimmy. Yeah. So Kimmy is my boo and a new sister of mine. I had the pleasure of working with Kimmy back on the Don't Rush Challenge. And ever since then, Kimmy has been my sister from a different mister. She is so freaking sweet and she is such a beast when it comes to slaying makeup. Do you see these slays? Do you see them, sis? Do you see them? Y'all make sure to go check Kimmy out at the end of this video. Make sure y'all let her know Aoife K sent you. Now the wig that me and Kimmy decided to bring you guys is Miss Dixie. Isn't she cute, y'all? So she is a cute little bob with a center part. So yeah, Dixie is in the color DR4 Blonde Vanilla Latte. The stock card says, wear me on the daily. Okay, Outre. They have a lot of cute colors for this wig. I will leave all the colors down in the description box below, so make sure you guys open up the description box if you're interested in the colors. And I'll also leave a link to various websites that sell this wig as well. So the wig looks pretty straightforward. It looks super easy, so it looks like it's gonna be beginner friendly. Let us see though, sis. We do not want to get too far ahead of ourselves. I've never tried an Outre daily wig, so this will be a first for me. It has the two combs in the front on either side of the part, no lace to cut, so cha-ching, beginner friendly. One comb in the back, and she does have the adjustable straps. There's one right there. There's one over there on that side, and she has a freaking... Shut up, girl. She got an elastic band inside of her. I am super hyped right now. Okay, I'm gonna take this one off, put this one on, and I will be right back. Jeez. It is tight as heck. Okay, so I can see why they would call this the daily wig. So it's super cute and it's super easy, but it is super tight, sis. I have a 23-inch head and she is not playing today. Let me just tell you, this elastic band is squeezing my brains out. Like, I can't even think properly because this wig is squeezing my head so tight. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this wig off. I'm gonna take this elastic band off of my, let's just do it now. Yep, because it hurts. Whoo, that hurt, girl. That hurt, girl. Okay, since nobody cares about the part anyway, because you can barely see this mug. Like, she's super duper, like, what? Where is she? Oh, there she is. But that part just seems kind of non-existent with this color though. without us adding some powder to the part, which I didn't do yet. But that freaking band was squeezing my head so tight I couldn't think to do it. So what I just did was I just basically just put it in this way. Instead of it being this on this part of my head, it'll be in the front of my head, like right where my part is. That's where this band is going. I'm probably just gonna cut it out though, to be honest. Straps, let's just unloosen them too. we just finna let it loose, okay? We finna just let it all hang out, because yeah, no, the devil is a lie. I am not finna play with this wig. No, not at all. Let's see what she talking about. Okay. Oh, that is so much better. I can properly think. Whew, baby, this bad boy or girl. Yeah, she was super tight. Dixie was tight on my head. With the adjustable bands disconnected completely, and the elastic band pushed to the up here somewhere. I don't even. Yeah, she's up here somewhere in the wig. She's inside the wig somewhere. Yeah, that's perfect. I could deal with her like this. She's not tight. She is still tight. I'm lying. She's snug. She's snug, but she's not killing me. Now let's talk about shedding. I've pretty much cleaned myself off a little, but girl, she is shedding. It is a cute cut though, and I could see me wearing this to work. Just put some powder in the part, which I am gonna do right now. All right, Dollar Tree LA colors in the color or shade, whatever your color is. Okay, so that was easy. I just put powder in the part. It opened it up just a little. You can always go in and pluck it if you like, sis. I got this much shedding from doing nothing but putting the wig on and sliding a comb through it twice on each side, 3 times the most, and I got all that shedding from it. Would I recommend this wig to someone else? Yes, I would. For someone who is a beginner, someone who has a medium to small head, someone who is on a budget, and someone who just needs an easy slay. I think this wig is super cute. Anyway, once again, this is the Outre Daily Wig Dixie in the color DR4 Blonde Vanilla Latte. As I said before, she comes in a lot of specialty beautiful colors. She is heat resistant up to 400 degrees. A plop and go. She's an easy, beginner friendly, throw some powder in a part, go out the door. I will agree. She isn't a daily wig. She's an Outre daily wig. She's just that. Dixie the daily wig. Yeah. But that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go check my girl Miss Kimmy out. That is Makeup with Kimmy on YouTube. Her channel will be down in the description box. And also do not forget to check your girl out on Instagram, Ifa_K_slays. Hey. And that link will be down in the description box as well. So thank you guys for sticking with me through these 50 shades of spring. I love you guys so much, and I pray God continues to keep y'all and cover y'all and bring y'all back to me for the next video. So y'all take care. I love y'all.